Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance, His Survival. Welcome back. Mahalo for watching. In today's video, I'm going to cut down some sugarcane on my homestead. So don't go away and check out this awesome grass. Sugarcane. It's sweet. Don't go away. Here's the tassel of the sugarcane. This is when you tell it's ready to harvest. These are actually probably a little overripe, but we're going to cut them down anyway and see how they taste. When you see the tassel starting to shoot out, that's basically when you know that they're ready to harvest. And when it's flowering like this, it's a little beyond the ripeness. They're a little overripe, but it should be fine. And we're gonna harvest these two right here. It's kind of in the jungle, and I have to clear this. I'm gonna harvest this kava here soon. And so I cleared this area right here, and it's on my homestead. So I'm gonna get these two sugarcane down and see how they taste. Got me some sugarcane. Here's the tassel. Close up of the tassel. Pretty cool. Almost like a wheat kind of flower kind of thing. It is a grass, so that's what the tassel looks like. I think that's what they call it. And here is what the bark looks like. It's purple. Pretty cool. It grows in sections, very much like bamboo, and the roots do sprout from the bark on the nodes, probably up to about a foot from the ground. It's kind of interesting how the roots come out of the bark like that. But this is definitely grows in sections, very similar to bamboo. Of course, it's a grass. And there you go, close up of Hawaiian sugarcane. Fibrous, very sweet, very juicy. You can see this is the purple kind. There's different varieties. There's a green and a red variety, and it's basically just a big grass. I believe the Hawaiians brought this over in the canoe. It's part of their culture, part of their diet. And you can see that it does kind of brush your teeth. You just don't want to eat like a whole lot of it because it will rot your teeth. Yeah, so there you go. That is sugarcane, and I'm on my homestead doing a harvest, testing out some machetes, doing all sorts of stuff. It's a beautiful day today. It's raining a little bit, but it's nice yard work weather. All right, it's not too hot. Really good, refreshing, and you can put this in the refrigerator, and it's even more refreshing. So you can make a juice, you can crush it. There's all sorts of things you can do with this. I guess there is some medicinal uses, I'm not quite sure. It definitely gives you energy. Yeah, it's basically just carbs. It's a big grass, and the tassel is pretty cool looking. It's got a cool, bark on it. It's pretty cool. Got some chewing on it. Close up the inside. Okay, there you go. Hawaiian sugarcane. Well, please like, Subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. I got some awesome videos coming up. I'm going to harvest some kava and drink some kava. That should be interesting, huh? That's coming up soon. Okay, share this video, and I thank you for watching this video. Until next time, aloha!